everyone, welcome back to Mariejumkitchen. You are here and I'm excited about it. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's class, I'm going to be teaching you how I made this yummy and delicious noodles. So if that sounds interesting, kindly watch this video till the end. Thank you. So guys, this is the outcome of our yummy noodles with veggies. You can see how lovely, beautiful and colorful this is looking. This is super easy to make at home. So if you enjoyed this tutorial with me, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, comment, share and turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time I post a new video. Until the next tutorial, Mariejum is signing out and I'm saying bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.